guys, back to the doghouse today. Finally got my brakes in yesterday, so today we can start a brake job. I hope this year works out right, because this year cost me a lot of money. It's just crazy, the price we gotta pay to try to have our cars fixed up. I'll just give you an example here. Okay, here I got my brakes from eBay, a company called. Okay, I found my brake shoes, a set of them, like a complete set. U.S. price, $197.50. Well, that's not a bad price. So I went ahead and I ordered them. And then I go down, $197 here. And shipping is $62.08. Okay, fine. Then you add in the exchange, it all of a sudden turns into $367.91. And holy shit, like, it's just unbelievable how quickly the price doubles. And so anyway, well, I gotta pay what I gotta pay. So anyway, yesterday it finally came in, and went down to the post office to pick it up. Here we go. Another $45.35 they want on top of that. They want shipping again, handling fees. $9.95. I already paid for shipping because some yahoo at the border handles it again. I got to pay again. Then I got to pay GST again, another $35.40. So it's $45. So that the initial $197.50 has now cost me over $400. What a friggin' ripoff. No wonder we can't fix our cars. Alrighty. We got the furnace on. We got my $400 brakes. We got the tunes cranking in the background. Not too loud. Probably hear the furnace more than you can hear anything. Hey, you gotta stay warm, so that's what I got for $400. Got a spring set, which I don't need. I just finished buying a spring set. Cost me like $60. So the price of these here just went up another $60. So there's $500 for my brake job. Well, at least it's 4 shoes. Compare these to my shoes. There. Where are we? Here's the new shoe and here's the old shoe. You know. Still got half the thickness anyway, so it's still good, but because they've fallen apart, they're no good. And so, there's only one side here. Oh, whoa, scared me. Thought I got screwed. Maybe I'll use the new adjustments. Okay, I got them. Paid for them. Might as well use them.
Tacos worth waiting to be delivered? No. Don't wait to earn 5 points.
Well, there we go. One done. 3 more to go. Now, one thing when you got to when you're going to do these old brake shoes, that there is a difference between the rear brake shoe and the front brake shoe. The front brake shoe, you can see it's a little bit shorter than the rear. It's kind of hard to tell here, but look up here. You can see there's a rivet hole here, and you can see where the metal part goes in, and where the brake shoe stops. And you can see here it goes right up to the very end. But anyway, the longer one has to go to the back, and that's the way it is on all 4 wheels. I almost made the mistake of putting the 2 long ones on here, but I just happened to remember that the short one goes towards the front. So anyway, let's do the rest. Well, that wasn't bad. That's the fourth wheel, and everything's looking good. So now I just put the tires on and spin them around, adjust the brakes. Then get Keith over here again, and we'll bleed them. One step closer. But anyway, guys, I'll wrap this up. Thanks for hanging around. We'll catch you in the next one. Bye now. Hey guys, before I go, here's a question for you. I bled the brakes just to get the brake fluid to the cylinders. And that's it. Now that I got the brake cylinders on, I got the brakes on, got the wheels on. What should I do next? Should I bleed the brakes again now to make sure all the air is out? Or should I adjust the brakes before I bleed them? I don't know if it makes a difference or not. Either bleed them and adjust them, or adjust them and bleed them. Like right now, it's pretty close right now. I feel it. I can hear a little bit of rub. On the other one, I can't move it, so obviously I got to adjust it in to turn it. But anyway, just want to know whether I should adjust the brakes, then bleed, or bleed, then adjust. Anyway, thanks guys. See you in the next one.